Hey everyone, welcome to Tried and Tested. My name is Karen. Today's video is going to be on the August Fab Bag, but before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also do turn on the notification bell so that you are notified every single time I post a new video. So I missed uploading a video on the July Fab Bag, but to summarize last month's bag, there was a lot of skincare related products, and also the exciting part was that we received two products once again from the brand Plum Goodness. But anyway, let's find out how this month's bag turned out to be, and let's see if it was as good as the ones that we have been receiving over the last couple of months. So here is what the bag looked like this month. I actually do appreciate the quality this time. As always, we received a couple of cards in the bag. First up, we have the In My Contest Fab Bag card. The next is the 10% coupon code on my next subscription order. And lastly is the product info card. Alright, so all we're left to do is now figure out all the products that we received in the bag. So starting off with the first one, this one is called the Teen Super Sizer Fiber Mascara. It's in the shade black. It's a full-size product priced at rupees 549. So I was using the Sugar Mascara for the last couple of months, and that is also something that I received in one of my Fab Bags last year. But since that one is sort of drying up, I had anyway decided to purchase a new mascara. In a way, I was happy that I was receiving a mascara in this month's bag. To be honest, after trying this mascara out, I'm left a little disappointed. I feel like it really doesn't do much to the lashes. It's supposed to be a volumizing mascara, but it doesn't do what it claims, neither does it lengthen the lashes. So yeah, I am going to be pretty blunt when I say this, but this mascara turned out to be quite useless. Alright, the next item in here is a gel liner, once again from the brand Teen, and it's in the shade Rich Black, a full-size product priced at 449. The first time that I'm owning a gel liner. There's no reason in particular as to why I didn't have one before. It's just that I was using a liquid liner for a really long time, but I have to say that I really like this product. It is pigmented. It's not a rich black pigment though. Does it help give you a precise wing? To be honest, I wouldn't know, because clearly I struggle with doing a wing every single time, irrespective of whatever eyeliner I'm using. But overall, my first impressions of this gel liner was quite good. The next item in here is the face and body scrub from this brand called as Nyasa Creme de Provence. It's once again a full-size product and it's priced at 249. I've managed to use this once so far, and it's actually a nice scrub. Like, it leaves the skin feeling hydrated, and it also leaves like a shine. I wouldn't use it on my face though, because it also leaves an oily finish. I'm fine with that on my body, but definitely not on my face. It also has like this very heavy fruity fragrance to it. Now, although I did like this body scrub, I just wasn't as excited to receive it because I've got so many other body scrubs to finish off. I think that's why I don't value this enough. On one hand, I kind of regret using this because I could have actually given it to someone else. But I will be a little more careful, I guess, the next time. Alright, up next we have the Lavender Soothing and Firming Facial Mask by Monsub. So I feel we've been getting a facial mask in every other Fab Bag, and I haven't tried one from this brand in particular. Then again, I'm not someone who's really crazy about like these facial masks. I'm someone who prefers, just using a serum directly on my skin. I don't know what you guys think, but I think Fab Bag should just take a break when it comes to sending these sheet masks, at least for the next couple of months. The last item that was sent in this bag is the Lavender Foot Mist, and it's from this brand called Tejas Blends. Alright, so listen, I'm glad that Fab Bag thought of sending something different this time. But sometimes I feel like they just send random products that don't really seem relevant. I mean, come on, how many of us are actually in need of a foot mist? Also, this foot mist is supposed to refresh tired and achy feet. So I did put it to the test once last week when my feet were feeling a bit tired, and I did not see any difference. I guess all it did was make my feet smell like lavender. And hey, if you like that kind of thing, then probably you would appreciate this product better. But I just found it random. So there was a bonus product in here this time, and I received the Kiara Cosmetics Vitamin Tree Skin Mattifying Soothing Sorbet. So if you guys have been a subscriber to Fab Bag, then you'll know that we received this in the April Fab Bag too. And I'm not opening the packaging because I am going to give this to someone else. I currently am using the Skin Mattifying Soothing Sorbet. Does it leave the skin with a matte finish? Not that much. It's not completely oily, but there is a slight sheen. It's not a bad product, but why they felt the need to send this again this time, I really don't understand. So those were all the products that we received. If I total up the price of everything, then it comes to 1,846. and I've just ended up spending $5.99 for the bag. I think honestly a lot of us are not very happy with the products this month. I don't know what it was. Did they not put too much of thought into the curation? I really fail to understand what happened this time. But I say this so often, I really wish that Fabbag was consistent. It's always a hit or miss with them, but I'm hoping that next month they send some good products, because apparently it's their anniversary month, right? Anyway, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video, share it across with your friends and family. Please continue to stay safe wherever you are, and I should hopefully see you in another video sometime soon.